Here's why I eat 4 eggs every single day. Eggs are one of nature's few multivitamins. It's so packed with nutrients, micronutrients in particular. And specifically the nutrients that eggs contain are especially supportive of brain health and mental health. Eggs contain a little bit of everything that nature has deemed important to grow and sustain a healthy brain, because the first structure to assemble in an embryo is the nervous system, which includes the brain, obviously, the central nervous system, right? And so an egg yolk is custom designed by Mother Nature to provide a little bit of everything required to support a healthy brain. It's no wonder that eggs are rich in cholesterol. The brain is rich in cholesterol. That doesn't mean that you have to consume cholesterol to support brain health, but typically in nature, where you find cholesterol, which is a life supporting nutrient that our own livers create to the tune of about 3 to 4 egg yolks every single day, you'll find other nutrients that are beneficial, that play a beneficial role. One example would be choline. One egg yolk contains about 125 milligrams of choline. The Institute of Medicine claims that 90% of adults don't consume the adequate intake for choline every day, and it's a crucially important B vitamin. It's a conditionally essential nutrient, sort of like it used to be considered a B vitamin, actually, that is required for good brain health. It's the backbone of acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter involved in learning and memory. It also is important for forming the phospholipid bilayer, which supports neuronal membrane health, which is a crucial structure for your brain cells, your neurons. It allows them to receive the messages sent out by neighboring neurons, which can include everything from feelings of joy, elation, sadness, boredom, hunger, what have you. And eggs are one of the top sources. There was a study that showed that in older adults, the highest consumers of dietary choline had a 30% risk reduction for developing dementia. And
Interesting.
you can find choline in vegetables, but it is most abundant in animal products and specifically egg yolks. Egg yolks are a major source. You'll also find vitamin B12 in egg yolks, which makes perfect sense because the brain relies on vitamin B12 for good health. It is a good source of zinc, selenium, which provides is a cofactor for various antioxidants in the body and detoxifying compounds, also important for thyroid health. Egg yolks are rich in carotenoids. You can tell by the color of the yolk how dark the yolk is, indicates to some degree the presence of these carotenoid compounds like lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin, we know, directly support eye health and can help prevent age-related macular degeneration. And they also support cognitive health. There was a really important study, a randomized control trial published out of the University of Georgia that showed that when young, healthy kids were given supplemental lutein and zeaxanthin, they saw an improvement in certain aspects of their cognitive function. We know that people who have higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in their brains have better cognitive. They age better from the standpoint of their brain health. Um, and egg yolks are a great source. They also come with fat, and we need fat to absorb those carotenoids. So they're highly bioavailable when present in egg yolks. Depending on how the chicken is raised, egg yolks are also a great source of DHA fat, which we know is one of the most important structural building blocks of the brain. You can buy omega 3 enriched eggs or pasture raised eggs, and you'll see higher levels of omega 3 fats in the egg yolks. And protein, you can't disregard the fact that egg yolks contain some of the highest biological value protein to be found in nature. They contain about 6 grams of protein per egg. You find about 3 grams in the yolk, 3 grams in the white. The yolk is where you find all the nutrition other than protein, though.